Hello guys, I will tour you on our humble home. This is the garage. It's a 3 garage home, the first garage and the 2-car garage. Wait, let's go to the entrance. Okay. This is the main entrance, and this is the fireplace, and this is the kitchen. Okay, let's go to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Oops. And this is the closet with the bathroom, of course. Okay. You have to go deep inside just to go to the closet. Okay. Then let's go to the other place. That's the master bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. This will be my office. This one. This is another bathroom. So we got 1, 2 bathroom. And this is the laundry place. With something secret place inside to put your laundry stuff. Okay, so downstairs is two bathroom, two bedrooms, and when we go upstairs, we will be directly goes to the gaming room. This is the gaming room. The gaming room have one more room. So this is the third bedroom. There you go. This is the window. And then when you're going down, you can turn right and you can see the other rooms. So we got 3 bedrooms and 1 gaming room. And this is another bathroom, another room. So it's the 4th room and 1 gaming room. And this is the 5th bedroom, 1 gaming room. Okay? And this place is the attic. Thank you guys.